Hello and welcome to LOGIC ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will discuss how to allow retrieval of only valid purchase indents in a purchase order. To begin, let us first observe the default behavior. Click on Retrieve button and select Purchase Indent. The system displays all pending indents in the search window, regardless of whether their validity has expired or not. However, to restrict this and ensure that only valid indents are available for selection, go to the Header Details section and open the Configuration window. Under General Options, locate and enable the setting labeled Retrieve Valid Purchase Indents Only. Once this option is enabled, save the configuration and initiate a new purchase order transaction. Now, when you click on Retrieve and search for purchase indents, the system will display only those indents that are still within the defined validity period.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.